Have you ever seen ballet performances? Well, we all have been on the stage as a dancer. And we all had one common question. Can't we do something about pointe shoes, the shoes ballerinas wear on the stage? Did you know that pointe shoes are neither eco-friendly nor consumer-friendly? A pair cost $70 but are thrown away just after a couple of weeks because of the hard rehearsals for the performance. To solve this problem, we sent out questionnaires in March to professional dancers that we know and got answers from more than 126 dancers all over the world. From the results, we learned two things. First, one dancer wears out 20 pointe shoes per year on average. This means that dancers are likely to be paying a lot, taking into account their relatively low salary. Secondly, we learned that ballerinas felt bad throwing so many pairs away. The results show that 65% of dancers considered this a big issue, and happily, most of them said that they would like to help if there was a way to recycle those shoes.
So we began to think of a way to reuse the pointe shoes to solve this problem. However, we found out after several interviews with one of the most famous companies that makes ballet shoes in Japan, Chakot, that pointe shoes are very difficult to reuse. The outsole of pointe shoes is made of leather, the insole is made of suede, and the cloth is made of satin. Worn pointe shoes need to be completely cleansed and decomposed. Even if this process is done, the material itself is no longer bearable to make another pair. Recycling the shoes seemed impossible, but we wanted to make some change, little it may be, so we came up with the project.
Wake Up Pointe Shoes! Working alongside with pointe shoes makers, we will collect the pointe shoes that the dancers have used, wash them and will make mini pointe shoes such as these, from the satin that is still usable and sell them as accessories on the internet. Not only key rings shown here, but also necklace, earring, bracelet, and so on. Our goal is to buy new pointe shoes with the money the mini pointe shoes make and sell them slightly cheaper. In this way, this becomes a cycle, and by repeating this, we hope to generate a positive economic and environmental impact.
Working on this project, we found that some ballet companies are also trying to reuse used pointe shoes. A company in America sells used pointe shoes with dancers' signatures to their fans. Also, a company in Japan displays a pile of used pointe shoes at the lobby to draw attention to the amount of shoes the companies need and dispose. Ballet companies worldwide all seem to realize the problem of mass disposal of pointe shoes, but have not been able to come up with the sustainable and beneficial solution. Also, their target audience is limited to ballet fans and theater goers. Our project will generate a circular system of product and consumption, earn money by replacing discarded pointe shoes with accessories, and get interest from the general public who may not necessarily be a fan of ballet.
To conclude, we are confident that this solution will be the first step in improving the ballet world both economically and environmentally. In fact, Chakot has shown interest in our project, and we have been meeting with their product development team to discuss details to make this happen. We four are students who cannot live without ballet, and it would be wonderful if we could help both the ballet world and the environment for the better through the thing we are passionate about. We believe that a little project like we are trying has the power to change society. Thank you for listening.